welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back today with a cute fall find. Super dope for fall, very comfy, and the fall vibes. This item was gifted to me from puretree.ru, so I want to say thank you so much for working with me on today's video. And as also, don't forget to use code LNK20 for 20% off your purchase at checkout if you decide to purchase with them. This is bougie on a budget, so they are affordable designer slides. Okay, so hopefully you guys are feeling the ginger vibes. We got the orange nails. Okay, cozy gray sweatshirt on, so we're very much in the fall vibes. Here goes the box. They come in a cardboard box, and it's like vacuum sealed with the plastic wrap and everything, so your item is very well protected. Here goes a little picture of how the slides look on pull-out box. Same pull-out box. A nice dust bag. So I really do appreciate that because they're perfect for traveling with your shoes. So they did come both individually wrapped, like so. And as always, you do get receipt, little cards and care instructions, and all that good stuff comes in there. So these, I believe, are called there's a few versions of these slides. I believe they're called the Vuitton Paseo, Comfort Mule, or I don't know, girl, but there's a couple of versions of these, but I really like these a lot. They do have a little bit of a platform, but the platform is very comfortable. I tried these on without socks, and they're very comfy. So I really like that, and I love this perfect brown fuzzy color. Okay, so I got mine in a size 35. You guys know, small feet gang, but these are very much high quality, definitely giving 1-1 quality. And I love how the LVs look, because a lot of the times, I'm not gonna lie, girl, I'll be seeing some slides, girl, you can't even tell where the L and the V is, and the little stars for the symbols, but these are perfect. And as you guys see, the stitching is really nice as well, and a nice grade quality of fuzz too. So I really appreciate that, because a lot of the times people be always asking, you know, how's the quality, how is this, how is that. They definitely hit the mark with these. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of bags these can go with, and I'm also going to show you a cute little on foot. Super cute with a little Louis bag, cute little Burberry, cute little denim bag. So let me show you guys how they look. Super cute to style that up with. See, Louis with Louis. Even cute with another name brand like Burberry. So really dope. I cannot wait to wear these, even with what I have on right now. Like, this is super cute with a cute pair of baggy jeans, and you just wear these. Cute little dinner date, movie date, super cute. And what I love is that these definitely can be worn outside. So I've just been loving that trend of fuzzy slides that can be worn outside. So these are like the perfect ones, because they give that all over fuzzy feel, and then you just have that nice thick rubber platform, and it has ridges, so you won't be slipping and sliding all over the place. So as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my review on these super dope LV fuzzy slides. Really dope for the fall time. And as always, thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.